Sewa jambo kwate. Kwate. Who deployed?
Who deployed you?
Can you imagine? Chino chitete chaliwo. This place has history. You can't come and sleep with a woman in chitete. This is unacceptable. Boss. Lava. This is unacceptable. Chifo cha Uganda. Kakati msikali lava. Aliwana alino mkazi. When you come and sleep in here with a woman. With a woman.
Everybody who is in this compound has to leave.
Get out now before I call and go to arrest all of you. Even if the police. Hello? Out. Goni the tele Burundi yawe.
Boss wale bakubire aje.
Out.
Obamusobe bakubire wale mwite boss wale. Boss wale bakubire.
Sagala bya boss wawe bakume. Olaba alina omukazi kine ekifo kikulu nabi ngoma. Nakate. This is history. What rubbish is this? Out. Get your things. Now. Out.
You know what? Put on your cap and get out.
Where?
Out.
Out. Chinumbade sichimanyi. I didn't know this.
No.
This is total disrespect.
Ajifulume wa bagage. You're not fulume.
Go back to your hostel and say, people are there. Get out now.
Labaya esafulia nomwe bafumbira omutamuli mucho.
I'm window you're joking. But this man is really serious. Look at this. Your day.
This is a cultural place. Kabaka comes here, they do what?
This is unbelievable. Very unbelievable. Now I have cause to get annoyed. Already I'm reading a simony. This is what is happening here.
I told him Muganda.
It is not acceptable. Look. Kino ekiteeteeyi kirina history. Tetusobola
kuteeka bintu bya kisirusiru webitu mu nyumba ya jjajja.
Go to your boss and tell them you have taken you away from here. Let them come. We are here. Okay? We are all here.
Librarian naye wuli gyali naye mugambe ajjire eddala alaba abantu baabwe.
Laba. Look at this.
This one is a very important cultural house.
Tiye tamanyi history ya
Buganda. Nene bakuleeta okukola tojja na mukazi.
Ali mu history ya Buganda. Ali eri n'omukazi yeebase n'omukazi mu kiteeteeyi. Yeebase n'omukazi mu kiteeteeyi.
Laba n'omwenge gwokka tedugukirizaayo.
Eno company ki? Hello? Muza Gwe. Don't get me annoyed. What company is this? Uganda company what? Give me your bosses now. Denti bano bali eno munda bali mugondo.
Bakikolera ki?
Lwakitumbulidde nti bano bali eno beebase bali mu n'abakazi. Go before we get violent. Kondomu balina n'ebipande bya kondomu. Mu kifo kya jjajja waffe. Tuliyo Kampala tuyita ki? Tulinga abasiru.
Your friend had a woman.
You.
Your friend. Is the actions am I responsible?
Yes. You are deploying. When you deploy, you become responsible.
No. That is beyond me.
It's not beyond you.
Yokola.
Be responsible for it.
Yokola.
Be responsible.
Obulali yabeera responsible gwa bikoze.
Antuma. Omuntu antuma. Beti singula ebintu ebibadde omwo bannange. Singula ba kikyamu nnyo. Era ffe tetubadde tetugenda kukola fujjo at all. Tubadde tubikamu ne tuteesa.
Who can condone that act?
Who's responsible for that?
But am I
Then you're responsible.
Then am I
You're
responsible for
responsible.
their actions?
What they're doing in this homestead is unacceptable. This is the shared homestead, Betty. The moment you accept that, you'll have peace. If you don't accept it, you'll never have peace.
Sifaayo butaba na peace, by the way. Record this. Sifaayo butaba na peace.
Maybe.